Welcome to Create Income with or without a job. I'm Jamila Harris, your Create Income coach. Be sure to push the subscribe button and tap that bell so you'll be notified each time a new video is available to help you as we take you step by step in how to create income in your life with or without a job. Today, we talk about what to do in the first 30, 60, 90 days after sudden job loss. If you haven't seen or heard my story, be sure to click and check the video, My Story. It tells you about what I went through and that these are actual practical steps that I journeyed through in order to move from having no income, being broke and homeless, to creating income on a daily basis in my life. So today we're going to talk about the Keep the Wolf Away from the Door plan. It's a 5-step plan that emerged as I was trying to make the transition from having no income while I had bills, while I had a car note, and so on. So we're going to talk about several steps. Step 2. Position yourself to see potential sources of income. So your job's gone. Your normal ways of having money come in don't exist. So now we have to see differently. We have to see other ways that we can create and bring income in. Resist the urge to fear and focus on taking action steps. So that's number 1. Every time that fear comes in your mind, just resist it. And then focus on the next step, which is accept the fact that all of your income will now come from you, rather than the expectation of a paycheck, something outside of you bringing income to you. Realize that you're going to now attract income to yourself. You're going to take action steps that bring income to yourself. You're going to create earning opportunities to bring income in. Then determine that your total minimum essential monthly money will come as the result of action you take to bring money to you. So it's a different mindset. It's a shift in our mindset. It's a thought, okay, what am I doing today that will bring money into my hands so that I will have money by the end of the week to buy groceries? What am I doing in the morning? What am I doing in the afternoon? What do I do with my time each day that creates earning opportunities for me to bring money in? You want to develop a create income mindset. So create income with or without a job, we seek to help you as you walk your journey of uncertainty and trying to restore income to your life and your family's life. Join our Create Income family. Visit our website, createincomewithoutajob.com. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel. We are doing our best to make sure that you have action step videos that will help you move step by step back to where you're creating income in your life. And we look forward to hearing from you. Let us hear from you. Leave a comment. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Click the notification bell. And stop looking for a job. Create income with or without a job.